Hello? Good morning, Donald. Yeah, I knew it was you from the ringtone. How's it going? Yeah, I know. Me? I'm just working from home on my personal development channel. How may I help? Yeah, I've been watching every day. Yeah, I'd be happy to give you some suggestions. You know, the first thing I would do is change the format. Now, why would you have a briefing in a windy location like the Rose Garden? Why do I say that? Because it messes up your hair. You don't want to pay your stylist hazardous duty pay, do you? Second, I'd have Mike practice saying, "Here's Donnie," if you want to produce a TV show instead of a briefing. What? Okay, I'll get serious. You know, Don, people are tuning in to find out what's going on with the coronavirus. I mean, when Eli comes home with a bad grade in math and we quote-unquote discuss the situation, he always tries to change the subject to how good he's doing in English. Then I say, "How well you're doing in English?" And he says, "Yeah, Dad, I'm doing real good." Let's keep focused on the subject at hand. Let's not bring in what we're doing to fight the war on drugs. That's not what people are tuning in to see. Second, people don't care about your problems. They care about their problems. They don't care that you gave up $1 billion to be president. They're also tired of hearing how you stopped the planes from China and... Hey, Don, I'm not a reporter. So if you continue to interrupt, I'm going to hang up. Okay, here's what they want. They want the supplies delivered to everybody that needs them. They don't want to hear how you've got millions of these and billions of those coming in. Don't tell people that states can't find them. Job one to save lives is making sure that the essentials get where they're supposed to. Personally track the shipments if that's what it takes, but make sure that they arrive in their proper destinations. Another thing, stop deflecting what you think everybody needs and just start delivering the goods by any means necessary. You know, we don't need 300,000 men. Come on, that doesn't help anything. Now this is critical. It's time that you federalize the entire operation. Shelter in place, national. Obtaining and distribution of supplies, national. There is no open market for essential materials in a wartime scenario. Of course, there's going to be some bitching from the states, but the operation will be organized and the price gouging and competing for supplies will stop. Also, take some preventative measures and model South Korea. They're the ones that are making really good progress. Figure out a way to produce and distribute masks to everybody. It helps. South Korea's numbers are going down and they are very densely populated as a country. So it really helps when you see videos of South Korea, everyone in the streets wearing a mask. One more thing. Admit that more action could have been taken earlier. Because you're the boss, the buck stops with you. The American people will respect you more and you'll be able to galvanize more people to follow the national procedures. Distribute credit for progress to others and accept blame for missteps and failures yourself. That's what effective leaders do. We need to hope for the best and prepare for the worst. Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. Good luck, Mr. President. Bye-bye. And because we never end a phone call on a philosophical note, let's get out there and charge! I'm Eli's dad.